Hello there and welcome to Dukascopy TV. Today we're taking a look at what's in store for the US dollar in 2015. And joining me is CEO of PPI, Yves Perreard. Welcome.
Good morning.
Well, first things first, let's look at the euro against the dollar. So the euro's had a bit of a chaotic start to the year. How has this impacted the currency pair?
Yeah, the euro-dollar's parity went down about 12% from mid-December 2014 till end of January 2015. Market expectations have been quite high about the ECB proactiveness with monetary policies that did come with quantitative easing mid-January, based first on macro numbers, but mainly about the inflation numbers. I wouldn't speak about deflation, but lack of inflation numbers. So the euro lost about 11-12%, as I said before. You have asset manager who sold the euro, bought other currency pairs as well. And I do feel that for 2015, the euro will stay weak. Not too much weaker than the level we have on the short term, because the position of the market are still already in, okay? But I would expect that for the first 3 months till end of March, the euro will be based around 110 and might go up, short squeeze maybe to 116, 117. And then second part of the year, when the numbers are going to be, the US number will be a little bit better, so we might have the euro going down to 105.
So let's look to the yen against the dollar. Japan has slowing inflation and slid into recession last year. So how has this impacted the dollar and what can we expect coming into this year?
The yen actually reacted on the other ways, and in the ways it strengthened from end of December till end of January. The yen strengthened about 2-3% for many reasons. The first reason that the expectation of the market has been already in because the Bank of Japan did react last October. So the yen went up to almost 123, 124 levels, and we reacted, we went down again to 117. Why? The first reason, the repatriation of the pension fund and the asset manager in Japan. So there's a lack of foreign investment outside, and I think this repatriation is going to last till end of March. So the yen is going to strengthen till end of March. I wouldn't be surprised to see the yen below 115, first till end of March. And then again, maybe the same kind of pattern we had in 2014. Remember, we reached 105, and we stayed between 101 and 102 for 3-4 months, and then we spike up. So I will expect the same, first 115, and then we will test the 120 by mid-years.
And what else can we be expecting coming from the US dollar in 2015?
But one of the currency you didn't ask is the Swiss franc, because we are based in Switzerland. So the Swiss francs did react very strongly on the 15th of January after the unexpected SNB departure of the floor. And I would say that the Swiss francs will again react on the opposite way that it reacted on the 15th of January during the course of the year. We are going to have the macro number, we are going to be a disaster, I suppose, for mid-year, and the Swiss franc should weaken again, down to parity against the dollars, and maybe against the euro stabilizing around 110. Then you have the sterling as well, sterling strengthening, good numbers, macro number of the sterling, but we have the election mid-May, we might weaken a little bit the sterling, so some reactivity. But overall, I would say the dollar will get stronger. Short term, maybe the economic number in the US are going to be a little bit weaker than expected. So are going to put some cap on the dollars. But then overall, 215, I would say the dollar will strengthen. 105 against the euro, and dollar Swiss, $1 yen between 120 and 125.
Thank you so much for your insight today, Yves. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Many thanks.
That's all from us here at the Dukascopy studio. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep clicking back. Bye for now.